Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? This is your maths lesson and today we are going to solve some addition word problems. Addition word problems, also called as addition stories. These stories give us some information then they ask us to find something. We have to understand clearly what the information given to us and what we have to find out. Then we have to find the answer. Let us begin with this story. There are 4 brinjals in the basket. Mother puts 2 more brinjals in the basket. How many brinjals are there all together? First, we read this story. What information does it give? 4 brinjals are in the basket. 2 more brinjals are put in the basket. Now let us see what we have to find out. How many brinjals are there all together? Remember, when the words in all together, totally come in the story, we have to add the numbers given in the information. So we add 4 brinjals plus 2 brinjals is equal to 6 brinjals in all. There are 6 brinjals in all together in the basket. And we found the answer. Let us look at different addition story and solve it. This is a toy store and it has many different toys. There are 2 yellow robots and 2 green robots on the shelf. How many robots are there in all? Let's see what information we have and what we have to find out. Two yellow robots, 2 green robots, and to find out how many robots are there in all. In all means we have to add 2 yellow robots plus 2 green robots is equal to 4 robots in all. There are 4 robots in all on the shelf. And this is the assessment for you. I hope you can solve these word problems easily at home. Take care and Allah Hafiz.